Let's solve this problem together. The question says the volume of a cone of height 18 centimeter is 8,316 centimeter cube. Find the base radius. The first thing we need to know is the formula for the volume of a cone. What is the volume of a cone? The volume of a cone is 1/3 of pi r square h. Now, from the question, we have the volume to be 8,316, and the pi, since we are not given pi, we can use pi to be 22/7, and the height is 18 centimeter. Now we are to find the radius. The question says we should find the radius. Now let's input all this value into this formula. So the volume is, so we'll be having 8,316 to be equal to 1/3 times, what is our pi? 22/7, then times, we don't know radius, then times, what is h? 18. Now we can solve further. Before we continue, let's first, since 3 can go in 18, let's first take this fraction away so that 3 will go here 6 times. So that means we'll be having 8,316 to be equal to, this will give 22 times 6/7, then r square. So this is the same thing as saying 8,316 is equal to 22 times 6 times r squared over 7, so that we can cross multiply and bring 7 here. That means 22 times 6 times r squared will be equal to 8,316, then times 7. So let's divide both sides by what we have on this side, so that we will have r squared to be equal to 8,316 times 7 over 22 times 6. Now let's simplify. If you have your calculator with you, you can just press straightforward from this place. But in case you are solving without calculator, so you can say r squared will be equal to, 6 will go here 1, 6 will go in 8 1, remainder 2, 6 will go in 23, that's 3 times, that's 18, remainder 5, 6 will go in 51, 8 times, remainder 3, 6 will go in 36, 6 times. So we have times 7/22. Now we can solve further by dividing this. We can divide this by 2 just to simplify it, so that we have r squared will be equal to, 2 will go in 13, 6 times, remainder 1, in 18 9 times, and in 6 3 times, times 7, then over 11. We divided this by 2, we cut by 2. Now we can divide further by 11, then we have 63 times 7. R squared will be equal to 441. If r squared is equal to 441, that means r will be equal to the square root of 441. And what is the square root of 441? That will give 21. So r equals 21 centimeter.